a lot of the girls are like, you know, like they come together and shit, and like they help each other out, and
On OnlyFans, they help each other out a lot more. That's what I love about more about camming, because camming felt so freaking competitive and just like negative, and it was affecting my like sexual life as well. Whereas with OnlyFans, I feel like it's a little community, and like I can get to know people, and I'm like, I've met like a few girls that are really cool as well, and like everyone's just super nice. Even like people who subscribe, like they're not like being creepers. They're like, you know, you can talk to them and actually have proper conversations with them, as well as adding a little fun.
right, yeah, that's what I'm finding out. Like a lot of, you know, like all subscribers and shit, like they're the most respectful
Yeah,
people. Like they, it's
and I love chatting to them. Like I pretty much like I'm always have my phone in my hand. I love like having chats with them, and I appreciate them because you know they're watching my content and they're giving me money for it.
right, right, yeah,
And like my price is like I don't really go that high. My partner was like, you need to go like a higher subscription price, and I was like, oh, I think it's fun. I was like, I find it fun, so it's okay.
right. But you don't want to sell your, because that's probably what he's thinking. Like you don't want to sell yourself short, right?
Yeah, I upped it a little bit, but when I started, it was just $5. But at the moment, I think it's $10. But then now I'm having a sale.
What's your sale?
I think it's like 10% at the moment. I'm not
Yeah,
too sure.
see,
I haven't checked. I always change it around. I change my
right.
promotional like stuff all the time.
I was talking to someone today about that. Like you don't want to sell yourself short, but like if it's working for you, then are you selling yourself short?
Yeah, like the way I was kind of seeing it was like I find it fun, and I want to get like a big vault going because the more people subscribe, the more content you already have on there. Like they see the numbers and they're like, ooh, like I can get onto that straight away. So like I was just thinking, you know, cheaper at the start kind of deal, kind of build myself up because I don't have a lot of content on there compared to some girls that have fucking tons of them. And then, you know, once I get kind of like a name out there, I guess start.
Right, right.
But for now, it's just like it's a bit of fun and it's like a bit of side money. So why not?